Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add background music to your commentary or voiceover in Audacity. This is going to be a nice quick and easy tutorial. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you want to do is have a sample piece of audio on your timeline. I just recorded this previously. We can give it a quick listen over. So today we're going to be showing you how to add background music to a commentary in Audacity. Our next step is to add the music that we want into Audacity. To do this, we're going to come up to File, and now we're going to be coming to Import and Audio. From here, all you want to do is locate to where your audio is. I have mine right here. Click OK, and then your audio track will be added in, and as you can see, I have it right here. Now, if we click play, we should be able to hear my voice and the music in the background. So today we're going to be showing you. But as you can tell, most likely when you put this in, the background music is going to be way too loud. To turn the volume down, there's a couple of ways we can do it. We can use this little slider right here, which we can turn the gain down. But by doing this, we're limited to only turning it down by 36 decibels, which if we play this, it's still probably a little bit too loud. So today we're going to be showing you how to add background music. It's not too bad in this case, but I still think it's punching a little bit too much in the front. So another way we can do this is by selecting the entire background music track in Audacity. Just click the box on the left that your audio track is in, come up to Effect, and then we're going to be going to Amplify. From here, we can use this little amplify slider and then just bring it to the left until we see a minus amplification in a decibel range. Now, depending on what you want, you can play around with this. It's really hard to tell by just this number, so it's a little bit of trial and error. So I'm going to put it to minus 16, click OK and see what it sounds like. As you can tell, our audio track instantly gets smaller. So if we play this over and see how it sounds. So today we're going to be showing you how to add background music. Now it's a little bit too low in the background, but as you can tell, I didn't actually turn back up my slider here, so I can still turn my slider back up to 0 in this case and then listen over. So today we're going to be showing you how to. So there's a little bit of juggling and testing around until you get a good mix of background music and audio. In this case, now that we have our slider here, we're going to be able to tweak with it a lot easier than going up to our effect and amplify option. Plus we can have our audio at a much lower rate than just using this slider alone. So if we click play again and listen over. So today we're going to be showing you how to add background music. Still a little bit too loud, so I'm going to be turning it down. Maybe somewhere around minus 20 I think should be good. So today we're going to be showing you how to add background music to a commentary, and that's much better. I'm kind of happy with this. I still think it's a little bit too loud. For the sake of this video, I'm going to stop now. Now, one more thing I want to show you, which is a useful feature, but I'm going to need to zoom in first. To zoom in, all you want to do is hit the control key or command if you're on a Mac, and then just scroll wheel in and you can zoom in on your track. And as you can see, my background music doesn't start until about this point, whereas my commentary starts here. Now, there's a couple ways to remove this back. One is what you could do is just highlight and drag to select where you want to cut it. Come up to our scissors on the left or click Control and X, and it will cut and remove and bring our audio track back. But if we click Control and Z, there's one more method that I like using for when putting music in the background. If we come up to our track right here, we should see the time shift tool, or F5 is a shortcut for this. If we click this open and we select our track, we're going to be able to move our track around and select exactly where we want it to start, or if we want to put it in a different location to start a little bit later, we can do it really easily with this method also. This is one really nice trick in Audacity that I like using. Say, for example, if I wanted just my audio to play and then the music after, or only the music in certain places, you can really easily do it with this method. So I'm going to move it to a point where they approximately start playing together. And if I play this over right now, the commentary and background music should play at approximately the same time. So today we're going to be showing you how to add back, and that's pretty on point, I think. I still think the background music's a little bit too loud, but this is a little bit of trial and error. But anyway guys, it's as easy as that to add background music to your commentary using Audacity. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to leave a link down below to my PayPal if you found this video helpful and you want to support me. Of course, there's no pressure if you can't. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.